Yes, ma'am.
Open your copy. So today, like fractions and unlike fractions, we will start. Simply suppose like fractions I am talking about. Okay, good afternoon. Like fraction means, here in short, you please write down denominator same. That means what? Suppose I am writing 1 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7, 5 by 7. All these fractions are like fractions. Keep your side mute. Okay. And what are the unlike fractions? Unlike fraction means, here we can say like that, denominators are different. I'm not writing in total, means I'm like writing in shortcut. So that means 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 3 by 7. These all are unlike fractions. Now here in this chapter, you will just learn the how to compare the two fractions. So there is only one rule. The rule is, you need to make the fraction like fraction. Not writing the entire line. You need to make the fraction as like fraction. This is PIO. Okay. Please write it very fast by giving people W and H. Very fast. And someone of you, your sites are not new. Ankit, Sanjeev, Hum. I'm keeping yourself mute. Please don't unmute it. If any questions is not there, please don't unmute. Please write it very fast.
Ma'am, your voice is coming too low. Ma'am, may I do better?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can you talk a little bit louder?
Yes, I'm talking little bit loud. I will talk a little bit louder. Now it's okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, complete.
So I'm removing it. Here, exercise C, we will start page number 48. So page,
Ma'am, please show again.
I can't. Oh my God, I haven't saved the picture also. Okay. Please take a screenshot. Done.
Ma'am, I'm taken.
Okay, so I'm clearing. Okay. So page 48, exercise C, we are going to start. Okay. Now here exercise C, two pairs of like fraction and two pairs of unlike fractions. Already while I was making you understand those questions I have covered, right? Because I gave some examples. So question number 3 we will start. Now question number 3, here first A, B, C is the almost same. Okay, so A only I'm showing 9 by 12 and there is 11 by 12, right? Now 9 is less number. Here these two are
Ma'am,
like
11.
fractions. Okay, so these two, if these two are like fractions, that means easily we can see like that. If we are going to plot it on the number line, 9 by 11 is sitting on the left of 11 by 12. So 11 by 12 is greater number and 9 by 12 is smaller number.
Yes.
Wait, the denominator is same. Forget the denominator. Just see the numerator. Which is the bigger? That is the biggest fraction. Which is having the less denominator? That is the less fraction. I think this is clear.
Very
So
easy.
very easily, BC you can
Yes,
complete. B is also less than sign you need to put, and C greater than sign you need to put. Just put it fast within 30 seconds. Done? Done? So coming to question number D. Question number D is getting a little trickier. 7 by 9 it is giving, and here 13 by 18 it is giving. Now from the denominator we can see that these two are having different numbers. Now for the different number there is a one procedure that we will find out the LCM of 9 and 18. So by 9 I'm going, so the LCM is 18.
18.
Okay. Now when the LCM is 18, what I will write, how I will write, we will write the sum like that.
Ma'am, 7 and after the 9 is 7 into
Ma'am,
like
into
that.
2.
Okay.
Into 2. 14
So
by 18. Number 1.
yes. So we will first arrange it like that.
And
Arrange
we
the
have to
entire
change
sum.
the number.
Yes.
What
Like that.
number is
That means here what we have to do, we have to multiply 9 by some number so that it will become 18. So it's very clear that we need to multiply by 2. And I already told you one thing, that if we are going to multiply anything on the numerator or denominator, the means the opposite side also.
first we have to see
Yes.
the denominator, not
Yes.
numerator.
Denominator,
Yeah.
if we are multiplying, then we should multiply the same number with the numerator, otherwise the sum is going to be getting wrong. So here it's okay. Now here in the second fraction, both the numbers are 18. That means with 1 we have multiplied and we got the answer. So this is 13 by 18. Now 13 by 18, and we can imagine this fraction 7 by 19 as 14 by 18. Now this is becoming like fraction, these two, right? So 14 by 18 is greater than 13 by 18. I
Yes,
hope this is
ma'am.
clear. So if this is
Yes.
clear, E and F, very quickly you just short out. E and F, very quickly you just complete.
Yes.
E
Ma'am, I
and F,
know this type of sum.
okay, very good.
I also.
E and F giving you 2 minutes only, because now not much time is not much time is needed for this type of sum. E and F you just do. I am just going to write the answers over here.
ma'am, my complete.
Okay. Okay, 2 minutes I have not given, means not done. So please take your time and complete it.
I also completed.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Done.
Ma'am, number 8. Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. So I'm clearing the screen. Okay. So going to the next sum, which is greater fraction, which is less fraction. So if it is like fraction, this is not much more problematic. Very easily we can find out, right? That's question number A. That means 4 by 8 is the greater fraction.
Ma'am, 4 by 8 is 3.
Yes. Now coming to the question number B. Question number B, that means 13 and 20. We will on the same procedure. We will complete the same procedure and we will find out. Okay, only one sum.
Ma'am, we have to multiply it
Yes.
because it cannot be LCM.
Okay. So here we are just saying there is a short procedure. Okay, short procedure. Now I can't remember, but 5 by 20. Right. So here we can how we will solve it. Here we will solve it. The procedure is same. LCM will be 262.
Ma'am,
Your side mute. Please keep your side mute. Why I need to repeat this word 1,000 times to you?
ma'am, the sounds are coming from Sanchit Das.
Ankit and Sanchit, should I remove you from the class? So today is your time to remove. And after that, Ankit, you are, I think, don't doing the class, right? Repeatedly, I'm telling you to just. Okay, so any network issues or anything is there? No one else can. No one else can join. Every day there is a limit of disturbance. Okay, so 260, that means with this we need to this fraction we need to multiply in such a way by 20 we need to multiply so that it will become 140 by 260 and 5 by 20 again we will multiply it by 13 on both sides. Okay, so here it is becoming 65 by
5
so, which is the greater
and
fraction?
7 by 13. 7 by 13.
Fraction. Okay. Only B I am showing. Rest of the sums back at your home you can do. If it is the mixed fraction like if sum I'm doing. Okay, the procedure is also same. Procedure is also same means 3 whole 1 by 7 or 2 whole 2 by
We need to
we
do it
will
in
do
improper
improper
fraction.
first. So that means 22 by 7 or 14 by 6. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
My friends are just keep messaging. Just wait for a while. I am not I can't turn off my notifications after updations. Means I forget to turn off. I'm not get. I don't know that is not the case. I forget to turn off the notification after updation. I'm really very sorry. Actually, I don't want to want this kind of interaction. Okay, so by 6 we need to multiply. 42 will come, and here it is coming as 132. And here 14 by 6, while we are just we will multiply it again by 7. Because the LCM of 6 and 7 is how much? 42.
42.
So here 6 into 7 again 42 and here it is coming as 98.
98, yes.
So the bigger fraction is obviously the first one. Now here we don't have to do this all those stuffs. Why? If this is both the fractions are same, we need to do how and why I'm telling you. I am sure that your teacher, where you are just privately teaching, they haven't told. Here 3 is always greater number, 2 is always less number. So by looking at the fraction, we are just getting the answer that yes, this is our greater fraction. Right? or
Ma'am,
wrong?
my teacher told that.
Okay. Sometimes as a teacher, I am also forgetting. Okay, I'm not insulting anyone. Okay. So, but if I'm going to give you the same fraction, 1 by 1 whole 1 by 4, or 1 whole 1 by 2. Okay, this is true by the way. Okay, so that time you need to do this procedure. Is it clear? You can take this sum as your homework.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm just going to clear it. Please just write everything, whatever is needed to write. Okay. No more punishment. I should just unlock the meeting.
Ma'am, Ankit was messaging in the chat of school.
Unlock, unlock. No, every day they are just doing the same disturbance. Every day I need to tell Ankit and Sanchit every day. This is not the first day. Okay, first day sometimes mistake happens, but yes, some this kind of mistakes, it's okay, fine. You are talking, you are keeping you on mute, it's okay, fine. Otherwise, I need to do one thing. I need to keep everyone mute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so next year we will arrange the following fractions in ascending and descending order. 5 and 6, which sum I should do? Please tell me, since those sums only I will do.
Ma'am, 5.
5 which sum? A, B, C, D means which one?
Ma'am, D. Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, C.
Ma'am, C and D. Ma'am, both. Ma'am, please.
Okay. Increasing order, ascending order I am showing. Descending order is also the same. Okay. So C sum is given what? 9 by 6, 9 by 2, 9 by 8, and
8
9
and 9
by
by
5. Now here first we need to take out the LCM of 6,
LCM.
8 and 5. Okay. So how much?
Ma'am, it will go from 2, 3, 1, 4, and 5.
Very easy sum. This is
20.
This is 120. Okay. So that means our next agenda is we will write the sum like that. First, how I am
9.
writing first, see, just arrange it like that. Okay, first,
Yes, ma'am.
arrange the sum, how I am writing it over here. Here I will say 1 3.
Ma'am, we have to take one 9 5 also. That 9 5.
Yes, every sums we will take. Every fractions we will take.
But ma'am, we have to do like that. That only 9 6 9 to 9 8. We have to take it by one LCM and write that. We have to multiply into what answer is coming. We have to add with 9 5.
And no addition is nothing is there.
Yes, ma'am, there is no addition at all.
This chapter is only on this, means LCM. You need to learn how to make the fractions like fractions, and you only then you will just compare it. Okay, don't just mix it with another chapters. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
here in LCM, which number we have multiplied? 2, 3, 4, 5. These 4 numbers I have multiplied, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The trick is 2 and 3, 6. 6 is here, right? So that means in this case we will discuss this. How much, what numbers is living with here? 4 and 5, right? And if we are multiplying it, how much it is coming? 20. So by 20 we will multiply both. Our first fraction is done. Okay. Now on the second time, second time is what? Second time by 2 we are 2 is there in the denominator part. So this fraction in numerator and denominator, by which number we will multiply?
60.
By
Ma'am, 2 into 69 into 60.
yes, by 60 we will multiply. 6 9 are 54. Okay, clear?
Ma'am, 5.
This is the trick. Okay, Now this is very easy number. You are going to see it very nicely. But sometimes the numbers are 8 is there, right?
Ma'am, 28, 8
So,
into 20,
15.
20.
By 15 we will multiply.
Ma'am,
Okay. So
135.
that means we will discuss these two numbers. Rest of the two numbers we will multiply. Okay. So
Ma'am,
it's
we can
coming
do that
135.
20.
Next is here. We need to multiply it. Multiply it by what? Next is 5 is there. That means we will cross it. 2, 3, 4. We will multiply and it is coming as
Ma'am, into 24.
24.
what it is coming.
Ma'am, that will be
And
216.
I'm believing you. I'm not checking it. Okay. So done up to this.
Ascending
Next
order.
is ascending order. Ascending means what?
Ma'am, small to
Ma'am,
big.
small to big.
Again I'm writing. Ascend means small. Okay. So which is the
And then we have
to
to 135.
if we are going to rank a small number to big number, this is smallest. After that, which is coming, this is second. After that, this is coming as fourth, and after that, this is coming as sorry 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this answer we will not write. This much part we have done to make it like fraction.
Here I have one
right.
problem.
What?
Ma'am, here, ma'am, after this I have clear, but when I am writing that small to big, we have to write that arranging order. We have to write like that 135 hyphen
Whatever
120.
given as in the question, that thing you need to write. Means 9 by 8 is given is the
Ma'am, we have to write the 9 by 6, 9 by 2, 9 by 9 by 15.
that is less than 9 by less than and greater than sign for fraction you need to use. 9 by 6 less than 9 by 5 less than 9 by
Ma'am, we can give also comma.
comma also give, but less than and greater than sign is making it more and more clear. Am I
Better.
clear? Okay,
Ma'am, we can give also comma.
okay. Manna, yes. Comma also you can give. Please write it down.
Okay. Now it's okay. Then D.
Next time we will do.
What's
In descending order also the same process, but we have to write
Yes.
it too small.
The between
Yes, same
small
process.
ordered you need to write. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I'm clearing my screen.
Ma'am, I complete.
Everyone done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next sum, you try first. Okay, meanwhile I'm going to take the attendance. Next sum you try first. After that I will so means 5. Yes, 5D. 5D you try first. Afterwards I will show you the procedure. Okay, I'm writing the questions, but you try first. Please don't raise your hand also, okay? Pritika, Krish, Jahid, please be regular. Who is Oppo F1s? Who is Oppo F1s? I will not give the attendance if I'm not going to see the name. Who is Oppo F1s? Please just unmute yourself and tell me your name. You know to by which phone set you are doing the class? I don't think so. Okay. If you don't need attendance, then what can I do? Every one of these class is very irregular. One day is coming in the class and 2 days not doing the class. Means you are staying at home. You are just doing the class by laying down on your bed, just wearing the upper of your uniform school. And I know that everyone is doing the class like the same way, but then also you are having so much problem in your mind that you are not doing the class. If my school was going this the kind of things, then my attendance will be 101%. Okay. Yes, I'm 100% giving the attendance. Means right up to now I haven't taken one leave also.
Ma'am, I get the answer.
Okay, you got the answer. Very good. And Tirna was traveling a lot today, came to class. Very nice. Your class attendance giving is a really tough work for me, because one day you are staying, one day you are not staying. I need to find out your name and I need to give the attendance. Then you started. Are please keep yourself mute. You want to make me a guest?
Ma'am, Sheikh Rizanul Islam.
There will be many one of you who will not get the attendance, but unfortunately, just tell me, I will update it.
Ma'am, I get my attendance.
Ma'am, I don't get my attendance.
Just now I have updated. So God,
Ma'am, I didn't get my attendance. Ma'am, I also not get my attendance. Ma'am, I am Sijon there, ma'am. I don't got my attendance.
okay, later I will see. Later I will update once more. Okay, so here the LCM is 9 into 5 into 11, right? Now here one trick, mathematical trick I'm going to say, 45 into 11. Right now, the normal multiplication, how we were doing, 45 and 450. Like this way we are writing and we are doing 495. Now the trick I am telling. If it is 11, by 11 any number you are multiplying, okay, 4 and 5 you are multiplying, 4 and 5 you are right, 4 and 5 you just write. If this tens place, leave this tens place. In this place add 4 and 5. How much it is coming? 9. Just put it. Okay, your work will be done. Now you will ask me, ma'am, if it is 78 into 11, then what will happen? You just write 8 and 7 you just write over here. But 7 will not be your final answer, because 7 plus 8 is how much? It is 50. Right? So 5 you will put over here, and this carry 1 on 1 will be added to 7 and it will be become 8. Very easy. Just at a glance, by seeing at the numbers only, you can just do this multiplication. This is a trick. Vedic maths, I think you have heard the name. All these are actually those tricks I had applied over here. Okay. I will talk with your school if school is interested to give you more session like that, so we can just conduct. Okay, so here the answer is here it is coming as 495. Okay, so here 4 by 9 equal to, we will keep like that, 4 by 9 into, we will write like that, 495. 555 we will multiply. 4 by 5 by how much we will multiply? 4 by 11 by how much we will multiply? 5 by 11. 11 and 11, so this is both of these will be 45. 220. This is 100, from 100, 4 is less, 396. I am just using distributive property. Okay, 160 plus 20, 180. 200 plus 25, 225. Now, what was that? Arranging in ascending order, small to big, small to big. So write the answer, ascending order. Please write after arranging in ascending order. Okay. 4 by 11 is less than 4 by 9, is less than 4 by 9 is less than 5 by 11 is less than 4 by 5. So this is your sum for today. Up to this, please just complete the rest of the sums. Fractions will be there in your exam up to exercise C. Okay. Okay. I'm just stopping the share. Okay.